Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone are very well. Yes, children. Okay, children. Today we had to start with our class with a new thought. The thought is never say I can't. Always say I'll try. Do you understand, children? What is the mean by this thought? Never say I can't. Always say I'll try. For example, now I'll give up an activity to you. So you have to don't say I can't. Always say I'll try. Is that clear, children? Every time if they are giving anything to you, so don't say I can't. Always say I'll try. At least you can try, then you can get. There is a right or wrong, that is a secondary. But first you have to try. As children, do you understand? Again, don't say I can't. Never say. Always say I'll try. Is that clear, children? Okay. What we learned in our previous class? Different types of adaptation. So now we have to learn. We have to do some activities in companion. Is that clear? Okay. Everyone, open your companion, children. Okay, children. Now come to the companion activity. You can observe here, children. See, they gave some animals blend into their surroundings with ease. This adaptation is helpful to them in many ways. Research to find what the adaptation is called and how it is helpful to these animals. Step 1. First you have to find out what the adaptation that allows animals blend into their surrounding is called. Yes, the adaptation it is a depends on their features they are using, and they made their houses in different conditions. Name of the adaptation. First, give down the gave different types of pictures, so you can find out the picture and you can write where it is, how it is adaptation, how the adaptation helpful to them and living. Is that clear, children? Yes, children, you can observe here. Research the features of living things and figure A that helps them to blend into their surroundings. Record them in the space provided. Also maintain how blending into the surroundings is helpful to them. Once you can hear, you can observe here chameleon is there, no, and chameleons where it is adaptation. First, how the adaptation it is helpful to that chameleon. Yes, chameleon, you can observe here chameleon have hooded head. It is a very strong, and it will be collect the water. It will be help to the collect the water. It is you have idea, no, children? Some like small like a drop of water, it's it will be collect the water. Okay, you can write anything. You can write how it is helpful to the special feature to that living thing. Next, children, you can observe here next one, spider web. What is that? Spider. So spider lives in you can observe here, children, almost it is a live in everywhere. It is a habitat. It can live in anywhere. So and it can make silk webs. You have idea, no, children? Yes, it will be make webs, and it will be easily it can jump that web help to the spider. It can jump easily. Is it clear? You can write that how it is helpful to them, which features you can write that enough. Next, you can observe here, children, what is that? Octopus. Okay, octopus, no, children, you have to write that octopus features and how it is help. Octopus body is a very like it is a specially designed, no, you have idea, no, teacher? Children, it is specially designed. Yes or no? It is a specially designed, and it is a help to the capture and hide. It will be hide easily, no? You can observe the octopus. It will be easily hide, and it will be protect them sleeves. Understand? And it is be and it will be change the color also, and it can hide anywhere, and it is a protect from them sleeves. Is that clear, children? You can write what do you understand? Okay. Next, you can observe children here. Project 1 more 7b. Observe the figure B. Each living thing adaptation that helps it survive in place of living. Identify the adaptation in each of the living thing and describe them in the space provided also. Mention the uses of this adaptation. So animals name they gave no children. So where it is? First wireless. Yes, it is there no musk ox. It is there no adaptation. Where it is? First you have to write where it is and how it is useful. Okay, that you have to write. For example, musk ox, it is a polar region. You can observe here surroundings. It is a Arctic polar region. It will live in polar region. And musk ox have soft and under wool. It is we can call quick and considered to the world warmest wool. Yes, you can observe here children. I'll show you to you one thing. Yes, you can observe children here. Wax ox. No, this animal have inhabited the Arctic for many thousand of years, and their long shaggy hair. You can observe now in that picture that animal have hair as well as adapted to the frigid climate means cold, and it is adapted in polar region. Is that clear, children? And the outer hairs called god hairs. Outer hairs also there, no, that is a god hairs. A second of shorter undercoat that provides additional insulation in winter, and this undercoat falls outer when temperature climb winters end. So I have to write how it is helpful to that musk ox. Is that clear, children? Okay, and you can observe musk oxen are valued for their meat, and about 260 animals a year are harvested by hunters. You have idea, no, children? Hunters. Musk oxen are also valued for wildlife weaving, for the network made from the horns, and for their soft underwool. You can observe it is a world warmest wool. Okay, is it clear, children? You can write any uses, two uses you can write, no problem. And next you can observe here, children, toucan. Toucan is a adaptation in mostly in rainforest, and you can write how it is useful also. You can write, children. You have to write yourself. What do you understand? Okay. Next here you can observe water. One water flower also there. You can write where it is adaptation in water and use that uses also. You have to write your own, children, and you can send me. That is your homework. And next they give step one more project is there, no, that you have to take in figure A and B. You observe, no, so many different types of animals. Any adaptation you can take, and you have to divide it your reference, like you have to do as a teamwork, and you can take 6 characters. Understand? You have to take already you in your as volume 1 you did know this one. You have to do see a list of characters. First what is the story of your skit, and how many, who are the characters in the story, what will each character say. You have to tell adaptation, about adaptation, no, so you have to write that. And what props do you need for your skit, I mean what is the advantages of your skit. You are doing you are doing skit, no, what is the advantages of skit, and creativity and fun, and have you practiced your skit. So you have to rehearsal you have to do, and you can write their names also. Next, what's going on your skit, what will happen, that you have to write here, children, few lines, characters names, and what are the requirement for your characters, everything you have to write here. Next, divide your work, 6 members you doing 6 members, no, you have to rehearsal and you have to divide your work. Is it clear? Next you can observe here children, use the names. You have to write how many 6 members you have, no, you have to write your names, how many characters are there in their characters. You have to write your names and task what is the characters, task what you did in that skit you have to write here. Okay, write your script. Before that you have to do rehearsals and script set, like setting of the stage, everything you have to do before the skit. Is that clear children? If you have any doubts then you can ask me. And one more thing children, this as a project 7.a 7.b, that adaptation and uses you have to write. You can search in Google and you can write, no problem. Here also 7.a also same. And how it is useful, they have special feature, no, how it is help to the survive in the different conditions you can write. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.